Hey everybody, and welcome to Within the Kitchen. It's Thanksgiving Day, and happily, I'm here with my niece, Tayja.
Hi.
So instead of me today showing you to cook all Thanksgiving, we're just gonna cook some ribs.
Okay, so now I'm going seasoning the water.
Just a mixture of things, so I'm not gonna tell nobody right now. I like to pre-season the water as I do my meat. As of right now, the water is boiling. So as I add the last one in here, I'm going to stir it up as it continues to boil. You see that color right there? Very nice. So the first thing that we need to do is make sure that the ribs are washed very properly. Wash them good. Now I have my ribs on the plate. I'm going to use a fork and I'm going to tenderize it. Now as of right now, I'm not going to tell you what seasons I'm using. I might do that on another episode. But I pretty much just lightly shake each seasoning on the meat. And then I'm going to rub it with my hands. Yes.
And don't forget when you touch raw meat to wash your hands after.
Always wash your hands. Okay, so now we have the meat nice and tender. I'm going to rub it so it can be evenly seasoned on both sides.
Hi, Tayja. And the hi. Nagi Benzo. You still Papa. You need to call me soon. Taking me. You take me home and you take us. Is something?
So now I'm going to put my meat in the boiling water, just like this. Get the water. This is how it's looking as of right now. So as of now, everybody, the ribs are now cooking. I'm about to put the lid on them and let them continue doing what they're doing. As of right now, I have the corn cooking. The turkey's already done. Stuffings, I still have to do. Yams. Pretty much everything's done except for these few things. Got the cranberry sauce. I got a roast cooking. We have so many things going on right now. Okay, everybody. So the ribs are now still cooking. And you know, Thanksgiving, it seems like you wait forever for the Thanksgiving dinner. So I have a snack that you may have never even thought of, but it's good. Double eggs. Nice double eggs. Doritos.
Spicy sweet chili.
Yes, spicy sweet chili. Now, what we're going to do with them? Put them together. Get some of these. With this, just stick it in here. See?
Share for the crowd.
Good. Try it. If you don't make double eggs on Thanksgiving, you should. Double eggs are so good. Especially when you got in it. Go ahead, Tay. Now the meat is ready. We're going to take it out the pot. And put it here. And we're going to now move. Look how tender it looks. Now I have all my meat out. I'm going to take some out because I'm not going to barbecue all of the ribs. But I want to let y'all know something. The barbecue sauce that I love is Sweet Baby Ray's. That's the best barbecue sauce, everybody.
So, are you going to bake this?
We're gonna make it look nice and neat before we put it in the oven to bake. So I have oven already heated at 325 degrees. So now, as you can see, I'm cooking the potatoes, making the yams, about to make stovetop stuffings, and just taking out of my oven. Let me get it clear. The ribs. Look how good those ribs look. So, I have the potatoes boiling, about to make mashed potatoes. I have the syrup for the candy yams. I'm about to make some stovetop stuffings. And also, just taking out the oven is ribs. And there you have it, everybody. My barbecue ribs. I want to take this time to wish a happy Thanksgiving to everybody. I want y'all to spend time with your families, make good memories, and enjoy the food. And for everybody out there that's planning on doing Black Friday shopping, be safe. From mine to yours, I want to wish y'all a happy Thanksgiving. I'll see y'all next time within the kitchen.